How to fix Instagram error. We are sorry, but something went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that, launch the Play Store application to search for Instagram, and we'll be making sure if you have any updates available. So as you can see, there's no option of update and it says open. So that basically means we do not have any updates available and we have an updated version of the Instagram application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on Instagram and then tap on the app info option. As you tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So select on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, what you can do if that doesn't fix your issue is to make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.